गेम और आज हम आ चुके हैं रोब्लॉक्स पोकेमॉन ब्रेक ब्रॉन्ज खेलने के लिए। तो गाइस पिछली बार हम आए थे तो हमने 3 पोकेमॉन पकड़ लिए थे अपने। एक हमारा फ्रोकी था, एक मैफ्लेचिंग था और एक हमारा रॉकरफ था। तो गाइस पिछली बार हमने इस ट्रेनर को भी हरा दिया था और यहाँ से एक पोकेमॉन ले लिया था। और अब हमें आगे बढ़ना है चेशमा टाउन की तरफ, लेकिन हमारे पास एक पोकेमॉन आ चुका है गाइस, जिगजैगून। तो जिगजैगून को हम हराने वाले हैं गाइस। फ्रोकी है हमारा गाइस। फ्रोकी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग पोकेमॉन है हमारा। फ्रोकी यूज्ड बबल। जिगजैगून फेंटेड गाइस। फ्रोकी 20 एक्सपीरियंस। फ्रोकी के लिए 20 एक्सपीरियंस बहुत कम है गाइस। अब अगले राउंड पे शायद हमें थोड़ी बहुत एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगी चेशमा टाउन की तरफ जाते हुए गाइस हम। और यहाँ पे हमें शायद इनसे बात करनी है कुछ। The Pokemon on Route 1 are pretty weak. Pokemon on routes ahead will be stronger. Watch out and make sure your Pokemon are prepared. My Froakie is prepared, ma'am. It's loading, guys. Cheshma Town is here. Cheshma Town! Oh my god! चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. He's going to fight me, I know. Hey, over here. You look like a brand new trainer. This must be your first time in traveling alone. I see. Your parents were abducted by Team Eclipse. That's terrible. I have some information about Team Eclipse that might be valuable. Follow me to my home where we can discuss it privately. यार यहीं बता देता, अपने घर में क्यों ले जा रहा है? चलो कोई नहीं गाइस, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। इसका घर छोटा है, शायद बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है गाइस। Yeah, so your parents were taken by Team Eclipse. Gosh, that must be awful. I bet you must miss them. Oh, so they gave you that necklace before they were taken. Do you mind me if I see it? Thanks. This necklace looks like old and very valuable. Hey, thanks. Excellent. Oh my god. He took my necklace and ran away. Oh, wait a minute. Jake is here. Jake, hey there you are, world champion gamer. Who was that person that just took off running out of here? Wait, what? She took the necklace that your parents gave you? That was the last thing your parents gave you before they disappeared. We have to go after her and get that back. I saw her running into the woods just outside of Quick, follow me and lead you there. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, laggy issues. Oh, he is there. Okay, firstly I am going to Pokemon Center here and I am going to heal my Pokemons. It's very important for me and I want to... Okay, I just wanted to see my Pokemons that they are actually... hello Nurse Joy, please heal my Pokemons. Okay, yes. Oh man, thank you for waiting. We restored your Pokemon. Okay, see you again. Okay, thank you. Can I go here just? Okay. बॉक्स 1 गाइस। हमारे बॉक्स में कुछ भी नहीं है गाइस। हमारे पास पोकेमॉन की कमी है गाइस। हम पोकेमॉन बहुत पकड़ेंगे गाइस, आप देखना। हम सारे पोकेमॉन पकड़ लेंगे गाइस, लेकिन कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है भाई। ओके, नाउ हमें इधर जाना है। Jake, I'm coming. Jake is here and I want to take to Jake. Gale Forest. Hey Jake. She's in here somewhere. I'll wait right here so she doesn't get away. You go look for her and get your necklace back. तो गाइज हमें उस लड़की को ढूंढना है और फिर हम उसको तबाह कर देंगे। देखते हैं गाइज वो हमें कैसे रोक पाती है। ओके, did you know some Pokemons only come out at night? Yes, I know. Hoothoot is there. Student Spencer. Okay, he is a student. Spencer. Okay, Hoothoot. Fletchling is over there. Tackle, attack, Fletchling. Fletchling use tackle. Tackle भाई बहुत अच्छा डैमेज किया भाई। अटैक फेल। ओ माय गॉड, इसने हमारा अटैक कर दिया। फ्लेचिंग यूज टैकल और टैकल हिप्नोसिस अवॉइडेड द अटैक। भाई ओपी इन द चैट लिख दो गाइस इसी बात पे। फ्लेचलिंग ओपी इन द चैट। ओके, वो तो यूज टैकल। आधे घंटे बाद इसको पता चल रहा है कि टैकल करने का ही कुछ है यहाँ पे। हिप्नोसिस कर रहा था अभी तक। वो तो हिप्नोसिस। ओ माय गॉड, माय फ्लेचलिंग फेल्स asleep। ओ माय गॉड मैन, प्लीज फ्लेचलिंग वेक अप यार। हु टू यूज टैकल यार, टैकल नो प्लीज। इस बार आई डोंट थिंक इस बार भी जग पाए यार। मैं दूसरे पोकेमॉन्स को बाहर निकाल लेता हूँ। मैं रॉकरफ को स्विच कर लेता हूँ आगे। फ्लेचलिंग कम बैक, go Rockruff. The opposing Hoothoot used Growl. Rockruff attack fell. No worries, I will go with Tackle. Rockruff used Tackle and there's a critical hit. Opposing Hoothoot fainted. Rockruff gets 66 XP and he might be level 6 I think, or level 5. Level oh, Fletchling also give it to level 6 and level 6. Fletchling learned the move quick attack. Okay. Hoothoot was just fast, sleepy. World champion gamer received $199 for winning. Hey guys, I think I should go and heal my Pokemons again as my Fletchling is very low and Rockruff is also fast asleep I think. Okay, now I'm going to heal my Pokemons in the Pokemon Center here. Oh my god, this game is so laggy. I'm going Nurse Joy, please heal my Pokemons again. And yes, please. Few seconds. So much time. Thank you for waiting. We restored your Pokemon to full health. We hope to see you again. Okay, I will come as my Pokemons will had fainted. Okay, now I have to find that girl behind the bushes I think. I should go from here only I think. A proper way. I didn't get any Pokemons and he is here. He will fight me. Okay. Which Pokemon he is catching? Huh? He's a backpack. Okay, Kakuna. Go Fletchling. I want a fire type move for Fletchling because Fletchling has no strong move against Kakuna. I think half of HP as Kakuna has lost 40% and Fletchling was tackle and hits and I think Kakuna will be die now. So guys, Kakuna, oh my god, इसने हार्डिंग किया तो ना इसका डिफेंस रोज हो गया और Kakuna and I think now okay Kakuna fainted. Fletchling with 92 experience, 92 level 7 and level 8 please. No, level 8 new Metapod. No, I will not change. Level 8, I think my Fletchling would have new move also. I want a fire type move for my Fletchling. Okay. Okay, defenses. Tackle. Fletchling used tackle. And Metapod has lost his half HP. Now, tackle only. My Fletchling is level 7 and gone. A critical hit. Metapod fainted. 92 experience again. And I think I will be level 8. And level 8. New move, please, new move. I want a new move, a fire type move. No, why? Why this is there? Why? I will fight him also. Please fight me. 9 minutes. 9 minutes ago. Camper Steve. He is a camper, I think. Nidorino. Okay. Nidoran. Okay, sorry. Tackle. I need very useful attack for Pokemon. Fletchling big peck. Okay. Tackle attack. Fletchling used tackle. And Nidoran has gone. Fletchling 82 experience. And now level 9. New move please. Please. New move. Why Fletchling is not learning a new move? I should go from here or no? A new Pokemon I think I would get. Oh, Nidoran. I don't want Nidoran again. Go Fletchling. Now you know what you have to do. Use tackle. And half HP of Nidoran has gone. Now tackle attack once again. Fletchling used tackle and Nidoran a poison point. Oh my god, Fletchling is poisoned. Shit, man. Fletchling 39 experience only. I don't want that 39. I have antidote, please. Medicines. I want a medicine, please, man. I want a medicine. I don't have medicine. What? Guys, this game is so laggy. Oh my god. I don't think I will get. It's so pleasant to see fellow trainers in the woods. You saw Picnical Lucy. Okay. Picnical Lucy, Nidoran. Go Fletchling. Tackle. Fletchling use tackle. And Nidoran use growl. Attack fell. Okay, 23 hurt by poison. Yeah, poison will take me down, I think. Fletchling tackle, yeah, please tackle. Tail whip. Fletchling big peak. Okay. Oh no, I'm on 20. My 9 HP is gone. Fletchling. Fletchling would be 10 level, I think now. 82 experience. Now level 10. Please, new fire type move. Peck. I don't want Peck, man. $168 for winning. Okay, guys, no problem. I want a bag, please. Why, man? Medicine. I can't. I don't have anything, man. I'm going to fight him. I don't know. Well done, you caught me at fault in training. The bridge was under connection. Okay, well, too bad, Team Eclipse. That's right. The only way I let you beat, beat me in. Okay, I have to beat him in the battle first. Now, Eclipse member Linda would like to battle. Okay, Team Linda, Poochie Haina. Fletchling, go please. Fletchling and Peck. Flying type move, use Peck. And half of HP has gone. Oh my god, I think hurt by poison ही मुझे लग रहा है मैं poison से ही मर सकता हूँ. पैक से तो पूची है ना गया. I think मैं जीत सकता हूँ क्या? 66 experience guys. क्या हम level 11 के हो जाएंगे इस battle के end तक? I don't think. No, I don't want. Fletchling is a stronger Pokemon. Fight. Level 10 I am. Use Peck and half of HP. It's super effective. Arm thrust. No. Please 2 times. Okay. Guys, I am going to switch my Pokemon to Froakie because I don't think my Fletchling would be able to fight at 5 HP. Pancham. Use lead. Lead attacks, defense fell. I don't care. Bubble attack and Pancham is gone. Pancham, you go. Oh my god, Pancham, why is Pancham so strong? Oh my god. Pancham, please. And died. Pancham died. 135 experience to Froakie. 135 experience to Fletchling to level 11, guys. Beaten by a kid. World champion gamer received $364 for winning. What? How could this happen? Oh, this result isn't good. The boss is going to be disappointed in me. Fine, here, take your necklace back. Team Eclipse will be back for it though. We always get what we want. Okay, I don't care. You will come and I will beat you again and again. And Jake has come, man. Jake is a good fan, boy. Good job getting your necklace back. Thank you. So she was one of those Team Eclipse people. Yes. I wonder what their problem is. I don't know also, boy. Anyway, it's clear that you can't really trust anyone to find your parents. बिल्कुल सही कहा भाई. Jake ने बिल्कुल सही कहा है. मैं अब किसी पे भरोसा नहीं करने वाला. You're right now. If Team Eclipse really did them, you will need a strong team of Pokemon to beat them. A great way to strengthen your Pokemon is to challenge the gym leader in Roria. There are 8 gym leaders in Roria, and who knows, maybe while traveling you will learn more information on what might happen to your parents. Anyways, there's a gym in next town over. I suggest we start there. Don't worry, World Champion Gamer, we will get your parents back. Now let's go. Thank you, bhai Jake. I am coming with you. I am coming. I'm coming, I'm coming, 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 coming. Where I have to go now, man? Where's Jake? He's my good friend, you know. And I think I should go to Pokemon Center for some healing wheeling. Ah ha ha ah ha ha ha. I don't pick that antidote up. So I was not having any antidote, guys. Here's the antidote. Antidote in the bag. Okay, guys. चलो जाए आगे चलते हैं, guys. तो गाइज हम देखते हैं चेशमा टाउन आ चुके हैं गाइज. देखना है गाइज अब कहाँ पे हमें पड़ता है जिम लीडर का जगह, तो हम वहाँ जाके हरा पाएंगे. तो गाइज अगर यहाँ पे पोकेमॉन सेंटर ना होता तो गाइज आप समझ सकते हैं मेरी हालत क्या हो गई हो रहती गाइज. ओके हील करना है गाइज, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हील की ज़रूरत है अभी. थैंक यू नर्स जॉय और जो भी आपका नाम है, आई डोंट नो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वेटिंग. वी हैव रिस्टोर्ड योर पोकेमॉन टू फुल हेल्थ. थैंक यू. वी होप टू सी यू अगेन. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Now, where has Jake gone? Jake, please. Where are you, Jake? Whoa, bridge. Bridge is now clear. I think I should go. Okay, guys. I will go to that route in next video. Till then, bye-bye.